Are you suffering from partial baldness and have already come to terms with the idea of hair transplant? Hold on, because I have good news for you. There are options that have remained hidden from you. Although hair follicles can shrink with prolonged inactivity, they don't necessarily die and can often be reactivated. If you still have thin, fine hairs on your bald spot that simply won't grow any further, it indicates that the hair follicles surrounding your hair roots are still present. This means there's a chance they can be reactivated. There are simple and cost-effective methods to activate these hair follicles. Unfortunately, the majority of doctors do not recommend them despite their scientific backing. Why is that? I believe it's due to the financial interests of many large corporations that prefer to sell chemical-based medications. These medications often create dependency and lead to a relapse into the original condition when discontinued. Additionally, they come often with side effects that require the intake of further medications. But let me briefly tell you my story. My name is Selim Durzun, and for 4 to 5 years, I didn't have a single strand of hair on my body. After endless unsuccessful therapies, my doctor had given up hope. But I didn't give up. I embarked on my own research journey where I discovered natural and sustainable methods for hair generation that are scientifically grounded but little known and rarely recommended. And eventually, I found a competent dermatologist, a professor, who took over my treatment. To his surprise, my hair started growing again. He called it a miracle, but for me it wasn't a miracle because the methods I applied can work for everyone experiencing hair problems. To share this incredible hair growth formula with everyone, I wrote this book. Professor Dr. Schopf from the University Clinic of Mainz, who treated me, has written a foreword. If you want to learn more, click the link below and secure your copy. Together we will conquer hair loss.